The experts at Allstrap can give you the best advice, so check us out, allstrap.com.
We have the BXT3-19 strapping tool here, and you're going to learn why it's so great for high volume users. The Signode BXT3-19 is used for 5/8 inch and 3/4 inch poly strapping.
The main reasons to love this tool is because it's extremely tough, it's very well balanced, and it's less expensive to keep running than previous generations. Signode's tool is extremely tough and long lasting. Now, I don't like to see it used as a hammer, but it drops very well.
The wear part prices on the BXT3 have become much less expensive, which means your investment in this tool will quickly pay off. The tool holds up great, and the cheap parts should make this tool a good investment for the next decade.
This tool will not break down very often, but if it does, it will be less expensive to repair. On a side note, if you do need your tool repaired, send it to Allstrap. We average 2 days turnaround time to fix these tools.
Click here to be taken to the Allstrap tool repair page.
And to see the full version of this video, visit allstrap.com.